Hey everyone. Welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to build long-term wealth, you've probably heard two very different pieces of advice. One camp says, just buy technology. Tech always wins. The other camp says, you don't need to chase tech, own high-quality growth across the entire market. That debate leads us directly to today's comparison, VGT versus SCHG. Both are growth ETFs. Both have crushed the market at times. And both can absolutely make you wealthy, but in very different ways. In this video, we're not just asking which ETF performed better recently. We're asking the question that actually matters: which ETF is better for building long-term, sustainable wealth? We'll break this down step by step: what VGT actually is, what SCHG actually is, how they behave in bull markets, how they behave in crashes, risk, concentration, and volatility, dividends and compounding, and finally, which type of investor each ETF is truly built for. No hype. No financial advice. Just facts, history, and long-term thinking. Before we continue, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. All investing involves risk, including the loss of principal. Always do your own research and consider your financial situation before investing. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content, and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. What is VGT? Let's start with VGT, the Vanguard Information Technology ETF. VGT is simple, aggressive, and unapologetic. It tracks the MSCI U.S. Investable Market Information Technology Index. That means it owns U.S. technology companies only. No healthcare. No financials. No consumer staples. Just tech. Core characteristics of VGT: 100% technology sector, heavy exposure to mega-cap companies, extremely growth-oriented, very low expense ratio, Vanguard-style top holdings. Conceptually, VGT is dominated by companies like Apple, Microsoft, Nvidia, Broadcom, Adobe, Salesforce. These companies drive innovation, productivity, AI, cloud computing, and semiconductors. But here's the key point: VGT is extremely concentrated. A handful of companies make up a massive portion of the fund. This concentration is both its greatest strength and its biggest risk. What is SCHG? Now let's talk about SCHG, the Schwab U.S. Large Cap Growth ETF. SCHG takes a very different approach. Instead of focusing on one sector, it focuses on growth characteristics across the entire market. Core characteristics of SCHG: large cap U.S. growth stocks, multiple sectors, not just tech, rules-based growth selection, very low expense ratio. What does SCHG own? Yes, SCHG owns tech. But it also owns consumer discretionary companies, communication services, healthcare, innovators, select financial growth stocks. Think companies like Apple and Microsoft, still there, Amazon, Alphabet, Meta, Eli Lilly, Visa. SCHG is growth with diversification, not growth with obsession. Performance history, the big picture. Now let's talk performance, but correctly. VGT often outperforms during strong tech bull markets. When technology leads the market, VGT surges, SCHG rises, but usually less aggressively. But when tech struggles, VGT falls harder. SCHG is cushioned by diversification. The illusion of always better looking at a single decade can be misleading. Yes, tech dominated much of the 2010s. But markets rotate. Leadership changes. What investors forget is that volatility affects behavior. The ETF that looks best on a chart is not always the ETF investors can actually hold through crashes. Risk and AMP, volatility, this is where the real difference shows up. VGT risk profile: higher volatility, larger drawdowns during crashes, extreme dependence on tech valuations. When tech is loved, VGT flies. When tech is hated, VGT bleeds. SCHG risk profile still volatile. Its growth but smoother ride less dependent on one sector during market downturns. SCHG tends to fall less, recover faster, psychologically keep investors invested, and that matters more than spreadsheets. Dividends and AMP, compounding. Neither of these ETFs is a dividend powerhouse. But dividends still matter for reinvestment, behavioral discipline, long-term compounding. VGT dividends, very low yield dividends, are an afterthought. Growth is the entire story. SCHG dividends, slightly higher yield, more consistent payments, better reinvestment effect over decades. If you reinvest dividends automatically, SCHG benefits more from steady compounding, even if yield is modest. WHO should buy VGT? VGT is for a specific investor. You should consider VGT if you strongly believe tech will outperform long term, you can handle deep drawdowns, you already own diversified core ETFs, you want aggressive growth exposure. VGT works best as a satellite position, not a full portfolio. WHO should buy SCHG? SCHG is designed for long-term wealth builders. You should consider SCHG if you want growth without sector obsession, you want smoother volatility, you want a core growth ETF you plan to hold for decades. SCHG fits beautifully in retirement accounts, core portfolios, buy and hold strategies. Which ETF is better for long-term wealth? 120.00 to 140.00. Here's the honest answer. Neither is universally better. But for most investors, SCHG is better for long-term wealth building. VGT is better for targeted growth bets. The biggest risk to investors is not underperformance. It's panic selling. The ETF you can hold through crashes will outperform the ETF you abandon. In conclusion, VGT represents conviction. SCHG represents consistency. One swings harder. One lasts longer. And the truth is, you don't have to choose just one. Many successful investors use SCHG as a core growth holding, VGT as an aggressive satellite position. If your goal is long-term wealth, the best ETF is the one you can hold through fear, doubt, and volatility. And that decision matters far more than chasing last year's returns. Thank you for being part of our community. Your support means everything, and we can't wait to bring you more amazing content. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it valuable. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. Your engagement helps us grow and inspires us to create even more exciting content. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.